What can I say? Dreams do come true. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy C Will back to you with another video. Super excited today because I got something I've always been dreaming about ever since I built my own computer. Even before then, even when I had the Alienware R7. We have Knight Rider here. She has the glass off, and the reason is because, as you can see in the title of the video, I went to my favorite store, Microcenter. And man, but before we get started, if this is your first time here, welcome. Here, we do everything tech, all things tech. Whatever it is, we like to do it. And if you are a returning subscriber or if you're a returning viewer, definitely I appreciate you because you keep everything going on the channel. So we have this beast, the Gigabyte Aorus RTX 2080 Ti Xtreme. That's right. Let's get into this video. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a real quick unboxing and installation today. Not gonna go into a whole lot of details about the specs, but in the next video, I'll definitely be going into full detail about this card, about all of the specs, and also some gameplay. But just to highlight just a couple of things, of course, it's 2080 Ti. One of the reasons why I got this card is because the actual boost clock is one of the highest. It's 1770 megahertz, one of the highest clock cards. Also the MSI Gaming X Trio, along with the Kingpin, and there are a couple other cards out there kind of match the actual clock speed, the boost clock. But definitely, as you can see here on the back, a couple of things here. This does have Xtreme RGB, which is gonna look great in Knight Rider. We also have what makes this card unique as well. It has 7 video inputs. So it has 3 display ports, 3 HDMI ports, and 1 USB-C port for your actual VR and stuff like that, which we will be doing a little bit later on the channel, so stay tuned for that. And then this is a 3-fan card, and it also has a bunch of other things, and it also comes with a GPU stand, so we're gonna put all that stuff together. So hey, let's transition over to Knight Rider. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take this out the box here. I actually got a really good deal on this from Microcenter. We got the Aorus logo. So open this up. What do we have here? Paperwork. They still sending out CDs. Drivers probably. It's a quick guide. We got the Aorus Care. This comes with 4-year warranty, which is definitely unusual. 7 video outputs, 3 HDMI, 3 display ports, and 1 USB-C. We have the badge, the Aorus badge right here. This right here is the actual VGA stand to hold up. We got to piece this together. So that's to keep the actual graphics card, because this is a big graphics card, so that keeps it from sagging. And here we go to the beauty. Whew, look at that. My goodness. 3 fans. And man, look at the actual heat sink. We got the Aorus logo right here. This lights up RGB. Look at the back plate. This actually lights up RGB as well. And man, this is pretty dope. You got the display ports, HDMI ports, USB-C, and man, that is pretty dope. Whew. Let's go ahead and get this into the system. Okay, so I've already, for my previous card, I had an EVGA RTX 2080 Ultra XC. So I got the screws already taken off down here. We got the power supply cables here. So this takes 2 8-pin connectors. So we got these right here, and let's go ahead and get this placed in. The case that I have is the Corsair 500D SE RGB, and it has more than enough room. And we're gonna go ahead and slide this in. And you heard that snap in. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put in these screws. Boom. So we got the graphics card installed, and let's go ahead and plug in our power connectors. And I'm definitely going to get some customized sleeve PSU cables, but for right now, this will work. Boom. All right. So we got that part done. So we got our connectors in, and let's go ahead and piece this together. And so these just screw in, and we may need the full length. I'm gonna find out in a second. And as you can see, yeah, we put this in, and then you can actually screw this. So it's gonna look like that. Now, I can also tell you that this bottom piece here is also magnetic. Okay, so I think that we have that in there pretty good, and that is it. And let's go ahead and get this bad boy turned on. Let's place some bobblehead, Darth Vader back in here, getting some action. Get that action, Darth Vader. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and flip the switch. We got everything installed. And yes, sirree. Now the next step is to actually get this set up where I can do a vertical GPU, and I'll definitely be able to do this one because as you'll see in some of the actual B-roll at the end, I'll show you the underneath part of the actual fans. They all have LED lights on the bottom of it. So as you can see on the top, you got the LED Aorus logo, and then you got the logo here, but up under the bottom, it's gonna be crazy. Stay tuned, and man, watch the B-roll. See y'all in the next video.